Hi preschoolers, Miss Vanessa here. I am outside in my garden today enjoying some of this beautiful sunshine, and I hope you're ready to join me for a fun Friday. Caleb told us that he was interested in plants, so I thought it would be a great time to come out here and look at some plants that I've been working on in my garden. You can see down here these tulips. I didn't quite plant them tall enough, deep enough, because you can see that their stems are not quite sturdy enough. So I am going to dig their hole a little bit deeper. When we're thinking about plants, plants either come from seeds or they come from bulbs. You can see inside that dirt right there, that white bulb that the sprout is coming up out of. And the directions on this bulb tell me that it's supposed to be planted 3 times its width deep. So if it's this deep, this wide, I need to go 1, 2, 3 deep. And I didn't make my holes big enough. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna take my spade, my little shovel, and dig it into the ground. All right, I'm ready to measure. I know that it was this wide, so I need to go 1, 2, 3 deep. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna get the dirt a little bit soft in the bottom right here, and then I'm ready to put my tulip in. Oh, and look, just even looking at it, you can see the thin part of the stem here is out of the ground, and now when I put the dirt back on it, that part is going to be covered. Let me get that done. You're taking a deep breath and being so patient, waiting for me to finish this idea. All right, it's in the ground. I'm gonna give it a gentle pat down so it can be nice and firm. And now I'm ready to give my plant a drink of water. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I think my plant is ready to go, preschoolers. Hopefully in a few weeks, once these tulips get taller, I can see a sprout down in there. I wonder what color it's gonna be. I gave it water. It's air around me that we breathe in, that we know that we need to get big and strong, and the sun is shining down today. So those are the 3 things that plants need to grow. They need water. You can say, check, we did that. It needs air. There's air all around us, and it needs sun, and that's up in the sky. Have a great weekend, preschoolers. We'll see you next week.